Here we have a SAT math question. So here we have a system of equations, and the above system of equations has no solution, and we have to find the value of A times B. Actually, in the given system, both the equations are linear equations. Okay, if I sketch the graphs of the two linear equations, I'll be getting two lines. Okay, when we have two lines and the system has no solution, we have to understand the lines must be parallel so that the lines will never intersect and the system will not have solution. Okay, so as soon as students they see this kind of questions, they will try to convert each equation into slope-intercept form. So because they will understand if the system has no solution, so the lines must be parallel. So if we convert them to slope-intercept form, so we have to check whether they have same slope, or we can equate the slopes and we have chance to solve for A and B. Actually, all those stuff are not required over here. So let's understand some stuff over here. So first, let's look at the equation carefully. So each equation is in standard form because we have both x term and y term on the left side, constant on the right side in both the equations. So both the equations are in standard form. Okay, now let me consider a system of two linear equations in standard form. That is first equation ax positive by equals to c1. And let me write the second equation with the same coefficient of x, same coefficient of y. So that is ax positive by, but the constant on the right side is different, that is C2. Okay, here I have system of two linear equations in standard form. So in these two linear equations, we have the same coefficients for x, and we have the same coefficient for y, but the constant we have on the right side are different. So whenever we have two linear equations in standard form like this, we have to understand the lines given by these two linear equations will be parallel, and this system has no solution. Okay, so already the question says in our question there is an information, this system of two linear equations has no solution. So these two lines must be parallel, and also they are in standard form. So what do we understand from this system over here? The coefficient of x here, the coefficient of x here must be same. The coefficient of y in the first equation, the coefficient of y in the second equation must be same. So let's apply the logic over here in our system. So what's the coefficient of x in the first equation? Is 3. What is the coefficient of x in the second equation? A. So 3 and a must be equal. So that is a equals to 3. Okay, what is the coefficient of y in the first equation? It is b. What is the coefficient of y in the second equation? It is -7. So they must be equal. So because the two lines given by these linear equations are parallel, the reason is the question already says the system of equations has no solution. So the two lines must be parallel. So the coefficients of x and the coefficients of y must be equal. And also we have two different constants on the right side. So definitely the two lines given are parallel. Okay, now I got the values of a and b, that is a equals to 3 and b equals to -7. But my aim is to get the value of a times b. That is a times b equals to, so now let's plug in 3 for a, and for b we have to plug in -7. So 3 times -7 is -21. So the value of a times b is -21.